Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life, and this is birthday series video for people who have their birthdays today on 10th of August. And the lovely shining stars who have just stumbled upon my channel, page or group, or wherever you're watching this video, a warm welcome to you on this flourishing, thriving and abundant channel energy. I am Dimple Sharma, the Seraphic Star, a tarot card reader, numerologist and a spiritual healer. I love creating tarot guidance, spiritual practices and manifestation videos for all of you. And yes, I have also announced 2 new workshops coming soon. So if you want to enroll in the workshops, I have given the link for my Instagram handle in the description box below. Please go ahead and check out the 2 most happening workshops coming very soon, and I'll be rolling out the details in the upcoming weeks. So now, wishing a very happy birthday to all the shining stars who have their birthdays today on 10th of August. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends, family and loved ones to make their day little special with the guidance for their upcoming year. Before we dive into the card energies, let's quickly talk about your personality number and the lucky crystals. Based on your date of birth, your personality number is 1. Number 1 is ruled by Sun. So like each number has its own energy. The energy of number 1 is fire energy. This gives them the vibrations and attributes of new beginnings, creation, independence, uniqueness, motivation and always striving to look forward and progress in life. A lot of number 1 people are very ambitious and have strong willpower. One of the very common trait is that they have very good leadership skills. Number 1 energies encourages you to step out of your comfort zones, and with their energy they keep reminding people around them that we create our own reality with our thoughts, beliefs and actions. Lucky crystals for people who have their birthdays today: sunstone, peridot and carnelian. Remember, this is a general guidance video. If you would like to know more about yourself, your destiny number, your friendly numbers and the missing numbers, you can connect with me and take a personal numerology session. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. Now let's see what energy and guidance the fairies have for your upcoming year. So this is the birthday spread. The first card here is representing the energy for the upcoming 6 months. Okay, the second card here is the strength and the lessons you need to learn in order to evolve in the upcoming year, because in order to be the best version of ourselves we need to learn and evolve. So the third card here is representing the ultimate potential for this upcoming year. Now the first card is the 2 of autumn. In the upcoming 6 months there will be situations arising asking you to be a multitasker. It is only because a lot of you are quite talented in handling many things at once peacefully, and also make sure that you do balance your finances. Whatever may be the case, the fairies are advising you to add little fun into everything that you do. Okay, whatever is that you are trying to achieve, just make sure that you add fun, a portion of fun into it. Make everything joyful. Add a pinch of humor in your situations and all your worries, concerns will fade away. Balancing work with little fun will make you accomplish way more than you expected. So it's a very important message and a strong message coming your way, that no matter what you are doing, how many jobs you are doing in a day, just make sure that you add a little of fun in all your activities that you are doing. Okay, for some of you, I am also feeling that you have to make some decisions. The advice for while making decisions is to weigh down all the options with care. And at the same time, I also see some of you struggling and trying to balance a particular situation, and I would advise you to take the control of the situation in your hand before it goes out of control. Lastly, if you have been thinking of travel, then I do see it happening, or maybe you need to travel for work in these upcoming months. And some of you are also even planning and thinking to invest in real estate. If so, then I think it's going to be a good time for you. You can whatever you are planning, you can put your plans into execution. So please do not let limitations, frustrations deprive you of any important opportunities. Whatever opportunities coming your way, just know you have the talent to manage them all well. Just make sure to keep adding some joy into it. That's the very strong message that I am getting. Now, the second card is the lesson and the strength, which is Two of Spring. Again, a number 2 card. I'm strongly feeling some harmonious changes are coming into some of your lives, like a wonderful start. Well, it is because also because season of spring is a time where creation begins, where it's a season of blooming and inspiration. So this card is here to tell you that your strength is that you have the world in your hands. So make sure you control it well enough. Whatever is it that you want to manifest in your life, you have the right time, you have the control, you have the resources. It's just that you have to be bold enough to take this step. So I ask you, what is it that you really want to achieve in life or in this upcoming 1 year? Whatever is it, write it down. Make sure that you work on it. Until unless we have something in our mind, it's not really a goal, it's just a wish. So in order to make it your goal and to act upon it, write it down. Whatever ideas flow into your mind, come into your mind, make sure that you are jotting them on a piece of paper, or it's better if you can maintain a journal. Okay, so whatever is it that you really want to achieve in the upcoming 1 year or 2 years down the line, go for it now. You have everything at your disposal. Just be brave enough and go after it. I'm also seeing some partnerships happening, mostly work or business related. I am seeing that you might be getting a lot of opportunities to make more money or to invest. And if you're thinking to make your business global, I think you should go ahead without any doubts. The next card, the third card, the ultimate potential, is the wheel, actually the wheel of fortune. With this, I think now seeing all 3 cards, I would just like to say that just roll with the changes. Whatever is coming your way, it's definitely coming up for some very beautiful changes. So my lovely stars, just roll with the changes. These new beginnings are part of your destiny. As I said earlier, the more willingly you are going to push, the better the change is going to come your way. Remember, we create our own luck, and with the feel here, the fairies are telling you that all your delays are going to be over now, and whatever you hoped for is coming your way. The universe, the angels, the fairies, whatever energy form do you believe in, all are blessing you. Or if you don't believe in anything, then the time is favorable. It's everything is just in your favor. You can say the luck is moving in your favor right now. And the most wonderful time, full of happy synchronicities, a time when fortune finally smiles on someone. So you are going to have that wonderful time in in the 2021 year. Make sure to keep up with the fast changing momentum, because it won't be a time to slow down. Surround yourself with positive people who cheer you up and applaud for your success and new beginnings. I also see a lot of people investing in buying a new car, or could be for home as well. But one thing is very sure, looking at the cards, that travel is on the cards. I do see a very favorable time for a lot of you for traveling, especially for the purpose of the work or business related travel. And one of the very strong feeling that I am getting is that, looking at the cards, is that a lot of surprises are in store for you in 2021. That is, I'm very much sure, looking these cards here. So shining stars, that's all I have for now. Just try to balance and be a multitasker. Weigh down all the options before making any decision. Make the most of your new beginnings, opportunities coming your way, as it's time to get moving with high spirits in life, and you will shine. Nothing can hold you back. Have a great birthday. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect through my Instagram handle. Thank you and namaste.